I think that's like one of my absolute favorite hairstyles to do, other than mini twists, is doing a twist out on my hair. Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding. Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany J here. So today's video, I decided to get on here and share with y'all, or let you guys come along with me as I take down my twists. I've had these twists in since I washed my hair, and it was like earlier this week or a couple days ago that I washed my hair, and I decided to just, section it and put it in twists, and I allowed it to stay that way. So it's still moisturized, still, just doing the good thing right now. And I said I want to switch up the style, so I'm going to take these twists down. So y'all just come along with me as I do that, okay? All right. And that's it, folks. That is the results of about 4 or 5 days of me leaving my twist in after I washed it. and moisturized it. And it is absolutely amazing. I think that's like one of my absolute favorite hairstyles to do, other than mini twists, is doing a twist style on my hair. I remember when I first started this journey and learning about my hair, it was tough for me to find different styles to do. And doing a twist out was extremely tough for me because I didn't quite know what I was doing, okay? And over the years and learning my texture, learning the right product and different things like that, it definitely has enhanced, my comfort level in the way that I actually do my hair and style my hair. So this is one of my absolute favorite go-to styles that I like to do. She is done. I decided if I want to make it go back like that. Sometimes I like to make it go back like that, do that like that too, right? Or I'll just leave it. Let the color leave. So let me get y'all a full 360 on it. That there. Look at that. Okay. So tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think. I know what I think. I just want to know what y'all think. I think it's absolutely amazing. So yeah. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me throughout this process. Let me know what's your favorite go-to hairstyle for natural 4C hair or whatever great hair you have. What is your absolute favorite go-to style for whenever you're styling your hair? So let me know in the comments below, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.